Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to stay updates for your Telegram. So the things that you have to do now is just go open your Telegram application, and whenever you open it you just need to jump into the settings button, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this Telegram features. So you just need to go click it to open it, and now you only need to join this group, and you will get a lot of updates about the Telegram tips and tricks. So if you don't want to join, so you just need to scrolling up and down and find what's something new from your Telegram. So that's the way how to stay updates for your Telegram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial. Bye bye.